What he sees cannot be seen. What he creates cannot be created. Honorable Chief Guest, respected judges, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Hasnain from JHS Samulai, stand here in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic. Internet has simultaneously made human life easier and more difficult. It opens door, it closes hers. It opens door, it closes hers. It joins the world, it pulls apart. A blessing bright, a burden near, the internet both hope and fear. Mr. President, there are moments in history when a single invention changes the very rhythm of human life. The internet is one such invention, a creation that has woven itself into the very fabric of our existence. It is both a blessing and a burden, both a bridge and a barrier, both a solution in a new set of problems. It has made human life both easier and more difficult at the same time. परों को कोल ज़माना उड़ान देखता है, परों को कोल ज़माना उड़ान देखता है, ज़मीन पर बैठकर क्या आसमान देखता है. Mr. President, on one side, the internet has placed the treasure of knowledge at our fingertips. It has erased the boundaries of distance and time. A farmer in a remote village can learn new methods of cultivation. A doctor can treat patients across ocean, and a student can explore libraries larger than their imagination. The world has truly become a global village, faster, smarter, and more connected. Yet on the other side, this very marvel has changed in unseen waves. Where it connects hearts, it also isolates souls. Families sit together but remain silent. Each lost in the glow of separate screen, privacy has become fragile, truth has become blurred in our attention. In our attention, the most precious currency of the mind, Mr. President, the most precious currency of the mind is constantly stolen by endless notification. What was meant to liberate us often enslaves us instead. Mr. President, it connects the world, it disconnects families, it gives us knowledge, it steals our wisdom. It saves time, it wastes hours, it spreads truth, it multiplies lies. It brings people closer, it keeps hearts apart. It offers freedom, it creates addiction. Esteemed listeners, internet is like a fire, it can light the darkest night, but it can also burn down the brightest home. The choice rests not in the invention itself, but in the wisdom of the one who wields it. Therefore, let us not curse the internet, nor blindly worship it. Let's treat it as a tool of immense power to be used with balance, with purpose, and with responsibility. Because in its misuse lies our downfall, and because in its misuse lies our progress, and misuse lies our downfall. The net is a lamp or a fire untamed. The net is a lamp or a fire untamed, a gift to the wise, to the careless a blame. It lifts us higher or pulls us low. Its light or its shadow depend how we go. So my dear audience, the internet has changed our world, but it's up to us how we use it. Let's use this power for education, for peace, for uniting, not for hate and destruction. Is Allah remind us in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تَقْفُ مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ إِلْمٌ. Do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. And our great poet Allama Iqbal beautifully said, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, अभी इसकी इम्तिहान और भी है. Thank you so much.